Sa mundo ng boxing, may mga pangyayaring hindi mo akalaing mangyari. Gaya ng pagiging arogante, na mamaliit ng katunggali, at mahilig mag-showboating. Panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga bidyong ginawa natin.
Touch him up. Good luck. Play Olympia. Wales was there.
Adrien Broner laban kay Marcos Maidana noong 2013 para sa WBA title. Umiingay lalo ang mga manonood sa kulitan at ginagawa ni Maidana.
Yet he still tries to come forward looking for this knockout that he seems to need on the score.
May 8, 1999. Ogie Sanchez laban sa former world featherweight champion Jorge Paez.
He should have hung up the gloves years ago, but he loves it. He used to be a circus act.
Si Sanchez ang kilalang huling nakatalo kay Floyd Mayweather Jr. sa amateur.
And clown prince of boxing.
Paez, parang may nakasparing partner lang. Panay suntok, kulang sa diskarte. Kaya panay ang tama sa mukha.
33. Oh, touches down.
They both landed simultaneous shots there. Paez landed a left hook, but he took a better shot and down he went.
He's been given them here. Beaten by Angel Vasquez, who we've seen recently. That might be a guide to four.
Puro showboating ginagawa ni Paez. Akala niya hindi matatamaan.
Being outworked and outsmarted by a young fighter who looks to have talent.
This is Paez trying to mess with his head. Now this is
Sanchez. And he's got Paez on the rope. Be seeing the end of the Paez career. Augie.
I don't know how long Paez can sustain this pace. That's more like it. Really.
There's too many problems.
That's now.
33-year-old Paez.
Pagdating sa round 7, pinagsisihan niya ito. Knockout ang inabot.
Was up at lightweight. Oh, left hand from Sanchez, and that's good night, I think. Richard Steele counts, but surely Paez can't get up. He's out. I mean, Richard Steele should just wave this off. Augie Sanchez has knocked out Jorge Paez in the 7th round, and that was a sensational finish from Kid Vegas.
Well, that was nice because I answered a few questions about Sanchez. He didn't get all his own way. Paez roughed him up, started to come back at him, was giving him a few problems, so he overcame those problems. And the finishing 2 punches were a couple of beauties. Right hand finish off it.
Prince Naseem Hamed ay isa sa pinakamagaling na boksingero sa mundo. Mas lalo siyang nakilala sa kakaibang pagpasok sa ring, gaya ng pagsakay ng carpet at pang-acrobatic style. Sa kanyang laban noong 1997 kay Jose Badillo para sa WBO title fight, pinakita ni Naseem kung paano lumaban gamit ang kanyang estilo.
Many of them have just said Sheffield Arena with 13,000 fans inside. Now it looks here as if he's decided that he's going to get the argument finished. Now that's not a knockdown, just Recep Badillo.
That's how I've got it at this moment. Everything so far to Hamed. I don't think there's many would argue with that.
Huge jab. And now he's going through the razzle-dazzle. Watch the use of the shoulder.
Again, that right hand working so well, and this is a very confident Hamed.
Well, look at this. I think he's trying to do all this for the Sheffield fans. He's playing to the audience, trying to taunt poor Padillo, who's taking all this. Once or twice in the past, Hamed has taken some stick for trying to humiliate his opponents in the ring. And he certainly went over the top against Belcastro a few years back, but I don't know, where is the line between the kind of thing Ali and Sugar Ray Leonard used to do and it becoming bad taste?
Bernard Hopkins, kilala din sa isang dramatic entrance, isang kakaibang taktika para i-intimidate at takutin ang kalaban nito. Taon 2010, Hopkins, 45 years old, laban sa batang katunggali na si Jane Pascal. Bago ang laban, nagpo-push up pa. Isang nakakamanghang boksingero kahit may edad na, kung saan gumagawa ng sariling estilo. Gaya na lang ng pagsayaw bago nito i-knockout ang kalaban. Tulog agad sa isang suntok. Hindi rin pahuli ang ating kababayan na si Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire. DeMarcus Corley laban kay Junior Witter para sa WBC Light Welterweight title noong September 15, 2006. Di mo akalaing gawin nila ito. Biglang tumigil ang dalawa at naghihintay sinong unang babato ng suntok.
Fight for the WBC Light Welterweight Championship of the world. Here is the ultimate standoff. Crowd won't like this. Get booed out of the ring in Vegas, you try this. Talk about mind games. In the end, Corley won with the right hand.
Emmanuel Augustus, isang American boxer, tinaguriang Drunken Master dahil sa kilos na parang si Jackie Chan sa kanyang movie. Sinabayan niya ng pagsayaw habang lumalaban ito. Meron siyang record na 38 wins at 34 na talo. At ang kanyang notable victory ay laban kay Alex Trujillo noong 2004.
He's just mocking Alex Trujillo, and you can see the frustration with Trujillo, Teddy. You can see it emotionally. He's not in this fight. Even now, when there's clowning going on, he's not going to grab the ring. He's not saying, okay, let me let it go. Just let it all hell go and just see if I can find some way. He is so beaten that even now, when the opportunity just stares at him, shouts at him, right in his face, he's not confident enough to go forward and try anything. That's do that boy said he hit me. He said, no, 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 you were wrong. And the crowd has turned against Augustus, but even with the help of the crowd, probably going to be too little too late for Trujillo. Back to live action where you are watching Emmanuel Augustus fight Alex Trujillo literally with his hands behind his back.
Well, he's taken, obviously, this is the first time we've seen it. It's the first time we've seen it to this extent, but he's taken a page out of the book of Roy Jones Jr., who did it.
Let's go!
Alin sa mga laban ang nagustuhan mo ka-boxing? I-komento mo na lang sa baba at pag-usapan natin. God bless you.